Hey guys, today we're going to be finishing this catch game tutorial series. So first thing you want to do is make a level sprite. So we're going to go to paint a sprite, and the reason we're doing this is so that when the collectibles hit the ground, they know they're hitting the ground. So we're gonna put level sprite like right around here. You can make this around a gray filling. Make no outline. Oh, select it first and make no outline. And now what you want to do is go into the code tab, and of course you want to do when green flag clicked, go to this. You want to do go to 35 4. So now save now. So now what you want to do is go into the collectibles sprite and click, first you want to name this level. Go into the collectible sprite and under when I start as clone, repeat until touching a level or touching level or bag or pot. We want to make a new custom block, gravity. So this is gonna make our collectibles fall to the ground. So we're gonna do this, run without screen refresh, and we can always change that later. So gravity, we wanna change Y to so we wanna set variable. Actually, we want to change variable Y by pick random. We want to pick random between negative 0.05 and negative 0.01. So now what we want to do is change Y by we want to change Y by Y. So go into the motion block and change Y by Y. And now if put the variable in there, and now the collectible should fall to the ground. Wait, okay, let's. Oh yeah, we have to put gravity there. Okay, so put gravity in between the rupee and block, and now the collectible should fall into the ground. We want them to fall a little bit faster, so let's do maybe negative 0.5 to negative 0.1. That's better. So, now that we should probably decrease the size of them too. So, I'll just go through all of them and decrease the size. And then silver, bronze, enemy. So, now what we're gonna do is code the point values for the bag. So, first thing we want to do is if touching if touching the bag or pot, we want so we already have the type variable, so we make another if and make sure this is an if else. If type is equal to gold, type is equal to gold, then we want to first we have to make a new variable called score. This would be for all sprites, so we could select that. So we want to change score by 12. So change score by 12. Now, let's make a sound for when we collect this. So we're gonna go into the sounds tab and click choose a sound. We're gonna use collect, and let's see how this sounds. Okay, this sounds nice. So we can go in here and play the collect sound. So we want to start sound collect. Okay, so now in the else we do if another if else if type is equal to silver. So if type is equal to silver, then we want to change score by 5. And then another if else. Oh, and we also want to add start sound collect. So another if else we want to do is duplicate this and duplicate this. If type is equal to bronze, we want to change it by 1, and then start sound collect. And then so if we want to change, if we want the enemy to take away some money, so we're going to do if score is less than if score is greater than 10, score is greater than 10, so if type is equal to enemy, we put another if in there. If score is greater than 10, we do not want this change score and all that stuff. We're going to start sound crunch. So we can look into the sounds tab and go to this, and actually not that, we go to choose a sound and we do crunch, and that sound should be a good sound. So now what we want to do is go to sound and start sound crunch, and now we want to make it so that it takes away some money. So we're gonna change score by -10, and then else delete this sprite. Delete this clone. And then we also put a delete this clone at the end. So one last thing, the pot is behind this, so we're just gonna have to, in the level sprite, we just want to put it to the back. Go to back, go to back, and then we want the pot to be like up here. Now you can catch some stuff. This makes the score go down, this makes the score increase. So now let's go into all the variables. We want to hide all the variables, upset the score. So go into all the sprites and hide all the variables, upset the score. Now we could just put this up here. And one last thing before we end this tutorial, we are going to go into the backdrops and we're gonna choose a backdrop, and we can find a nice one for our game, which would probably be a mine. Let's see, so let's just look for one that look nice. So mine would be good if we can find one. I'm not sure if there is one. It's okay, we can go for jungle for now. So now that we have our game, we can play it. So we have our score at 1 right now. So one thing we need to do is fix the position of the pot. So the pot, we want it to go to, during setting, we want to set X to 0. So obviously, and then you want to set y, change y by y. Okay. So we don't want it to be this low, so we're gonna have to change some things. So, let's see. Okay, I see the problem. So we're setting y here to a -25, and then we're changing it by y. So what we want to do is set y to this. So we're gonna change set y to y, and now that should be good. Yeah. So now we can collect things as normal, and that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial series. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.